So, Sunday market breakdown, and what do we have this upcoming week in terms of the news? So, we have on Monday CAD news basically, so not much news for US dollar or EU or pound, so that's not gonna move much. On Tuesday, we have a lot of PMIs on dollar. Have NFP. What? We have a lot of news, to be honest. So this is the case where the Monday likely not do much, maybe in the range, maybe just drop. But Tuesday, either way, no matter what Monday gonna do, it's likely gonna be the low or the low of the week, right? But also because of this news, we can have sudden reversals on Tuesday. So Tuesday really gonna shape up the rest of the week basically. Then Wednesday, not much. Thursday, we have pound news, official bank rate. Would wait for that for sure. Then main reference rate, like FOMC for dollar basically. So we'll wait for that 100%. Then CPI. Oh my god, there's a lot. And used to be a press conference. Like, it's just crazy amount of news. I would look for possibility after these news, maybe after 9 o'clock, 50 minutes past 9, something like that. And Friday we don't have anything, but in terms of forex, I don't trade on these days. So so let's see. For futures, this day is fine. The Tuesday is fine because we trade basically just gonna wait for these news and then gonna trade it. Here is also fine on Wednesday. On Thursday, also also fine because we're trading after the news in this session. Friday is also fine. Just futures is fine. Just the targets might be reached before the session, right? Moving on the weekly chart, and we're not gonna stay here for long. Weekly looks simply bullish. We see this V shape. Potentially, we can have a slight pullback from this order block, but I'm not really focusing on that. Just small pullback and then just move higher. This is what I expect. Pound dollar, same thing. We are still bullish, even though we have a lot of bearish PDAs here. But I would expect a small move and then just push higher. The XY, small move higher and a push lower. Targeting like an extreme basically. But the more important thing is actually daily, because we are day traders, not swing traders. Now, on daily, it tells kind of a lot. Monday, the lack of news, we reach the extreme, kind of reacting of the extreme. We can either, I don't actually expect a big move lower, more like a bit of a push higher, sweeping Friday's high. And then if Tuesday after the news does something, a move above to this fair value gap or order block, I could look for shorts. Or if it just moves, then it just moves and it reaches the targets like this low, and I'm done, right, for that day. But yeah, kind of expecting just a bit manipulation, move lower, then Monday, for example, conference bearishness, then we waiting for just a little retracement on daily, and then a base power 3 entry, right? Pound dollar is bullish. We have retraced into this order block. Same, I would expect like maybe retracement to this order block, or just a sweep of right is low, and then if it's deeper, pull back to the order block, then extreme is the target. If not, then the high can be the target as well. And EU is a more bullish pair. Would expect a retracement to the order block and then targeting this high actually swept, so would be there. So a sweep into this fair value gap, then push higher to this high basically, and to this high. So this is on daily. If we move to the 4 hour, we have bullish order block, of which we can move higher if you confirm, then just confirmation, entering confirmation, or if we just move here, then maybe retrace to this extreme order block and make a reversal, and of this we can enter. Q is bearish, so sweep, we just go here and then trade of that, or we move lower, sweep in the Friday lows, reversal, and then we trade off that, because then the direction is clear, the manipulation is done. Basically that would be really good. The XY is kind of same, right? So we don't have really a close, so still respecting bullish. So if we close, then we can just make continuation, or we just sweep, reversal, and we move lower. So always want to forecast the one variation of possibility playing out in direction with manipulation and without. Basically, if you go to NQ on a week chart, the price still bullish, a bit more neutral. And if we go on daily, this looks bearish, but it looks bearish in a way that this is just manipulation. We already swept the liquidity, but yes, looks a bit more bullish. So you have all this liquidity right here. I would wait, I believe, for the 4 hour to show its hand, so we do not sweep this low, or this basically big as range. We did sweep the highs of it, so this would be kind of expectation of a target. So sweep, and then if you see reversal at this point, is this big fair value to get disrespected, but it can be created an order block, for example. That would be also fine. This low is swept, we could say this low, but it's also swept. So if you just move, after that it gets disrespected. I would see for longs for these highs, and that is kind of what I'm looking for right now. I'm gonna wait for higher time frame confirmation before I execute. I don't want to short, because like in case of shorts I want to see retrace and then pull, move lower, then I might actually get into the shorts. But that is my forecast.